6 ways to buy your next home before you sell your current home here in Charleston. Contingent offers, bridge loans, HELOCs, selling to an iBuyer, modern buy before you sell programs, or negotiating a leaseback with your buyer. There's a path for almost every situation, and the key is matching the right strategy with your specific circumstances, your timelines, and your financial picture. Stick around because by the end of this video, you know exactly which one fits you best. Hi, I'm Alan Donald with Keller Williams Realty in Charleston, South Carolina. I've been helping buyers and sellers navigate the local real estate market since 2004. There's a very common conundrum: buy first or sell first. I see this all the time because most people want to avoid having to move twice or paying 2 mortgages. The good news is there are more solutions that most people realize, and today I'm going to walk you through 6 of them. Hang in there. Our inventory in Charleston has come up from the historic lows of the post-COVID years, giving buyers a few more choices and a little bit more breathing room. However, well-priced, well-maintained homes in most areas are still selling very fast. So if you find the right home, you probably don't have the luxury of waiting until yours closes. You need a plan. Here's strategy number 1. A home sale contingency is the most familiar option. You write an offer that essentially says, "I'll buy your home once mine sells." It protects you from carrying 2 mortgages, and in a balanced market can work beautifully, and you don't have to put your earnest money at risk until the contingency is satisfied. The catch: in a competitive bidding situation or in a home that it hasn't been on the market for long, a contingent offer is a tough sell. If a seller has other offers or hasn't been on the market for long, yours is not usually the one they will pick. If your home is already listed, or even better, if it's even under contract, that might work. Another strategy is negotiating a delayed closing, proposing a longer than average time to close that gives you time to sell your current home before you close on the new one. The trade-off: if your home doesn't sell in time, your earnest money might be at risk. You might have to remove the contingency or have to pay 2 mortgages for a few months. Strategy number 2, bridge loans or asset-based lending. A bridge loan lets you make a strong, non-contingent offer by filling the financial gap while your current home is on the market. It gives you cash-like buying power before your equity is unlocked. Not every lender offers these products, but we work with some Charleston area lenders who know exactly how to structure them. A related option is if you have significant assets in a brokerage account. Some institutions will let you borrow against your stock portfolio without having to sell your investments. The line of credit funds your next home, and you pay it down when your current one sells. Strategy number 3, a HELOC or a 401k. You may already have access to the funds you need. A HELOC, a home equity line of credit, lets you borrow against the equity in your current home. And local credit unions here in the Low Country can often move faster than the big banks, which matters when you're racing against a deadline. Another option, a short-term loan on your 401k. Because you're borrowing from yourself, the interest goes back into your own account. It's a smart bridge while you're getting your current home ready to list. Strategy number 4, sell to a cash buyer or an iBuyer. Companies like Opendoor and Offerpad will make you a cash offer within 24 to 48 hours with a flexible closing date that you control. No showings, no financing contingencies, no waiting. Your equity is freed up and you can make your next offer without any contingencies attached. The trade-off is price. These companies are investors, and their offers typically come in below the open market value, sometimes significantly so. That said, for clients on a tight relocation deadline, or for seniors who prioritize certainty over maximum price, the speed and simplicity are genuinely worth it. The key is knowing your open market value first so you can make an informed decision, an informed comparison. That's exactly what we can help you with. Strategy number 5 is using a modern buy before you sell program. Companies like Homeward, Knock, Orchard, and Flyhomes exist specifically for this problem. They front the money for your new home so your offer looks like cash, then give you 3 to 6 months to sell your current home. There are additional costs involved, but for the right situation, they can eliminate the timing problem entirely. I've seen these work especially well for clients coordinating a move for an aging parent going into senior living, which is a specialty of ours, or for families with young kids and pets where keeping the house perfect and constant showings just aren't realistic. If you have too many moving pieces, this is often the cleanest path. Strategy number 6, the rent back or leaseback agreement. This is one of my personal favorites. It's also called a seller leaseback. You sell your home and add the right to stay for 30 to 60 days after the closing while you finalize your next purchase. You'll typically pay rent and carry separate insurance during that window, but the upside is significant. You don't have to move twice, your equity is in the bank, and you walk into your next offer as a non-contingent offer, which puts you in a much stronger negotiating position. So there you have it. 6 ways to buy before you sell in Charleston. From contingent offers to bridge loans, tapping your equity, selling to a cash buyer, using a modern buy before you sell program, or negotiating a leaseback. There's a path for almost every situation. The key is matching the right strategy to your circumstances, your timeline, and your financial picture. If you found a home you love but feel stuck in your current home, let's talk. Call or text me. The number is on the screen. Subscribe to our channel for more hyperlocal Charleston market insights, and I'll see you in the next video. This is Alan, and until the next one.